story with the van then, Bet?
I just lent it.
Sir?
I just lent it off my mate then.
So keys you've just found inside in the cab?
In the side pocket driver's door. So there's a BMW, which looks like it's going to be the new one.
Home address and all that kind of stuff.
It's going to have everything on it.
That's the BMW that's been found, that's the one that's been found on Redall Road. Was Scott, isn't that right?
Yeah, I think that's the one that I wasn't there earlier on. No,